Everyone has the right to feel safe, warm, and cared for. But sometimes things can happen to us or to others that make us feel sad, scared, or worried. Maybe you or someone you know is being made to feel left out, or you know someone who isn't being looked after as well as they should. Some things could even be hard to see. What if someone was being bullied online, or feeling they don't want to be at home? You or someone you know could even be feeling that they're just not good enough. It's okay to feel these emotions sometimes, but it is important that you should feel happy most of the time with friends and family. If you feel scared, sad, or angry about something you've experienced or are worried about someone else, it's good to remember that there are always people who will listen. Find someone you like and trust. It could be a family member, your teacher, a friend, or even a neighbor. You can even talk to someone on the phone in private. Tell someone. It's everyone's right to have the chance to shine. Call Childline on 0800 1111 or speak to someone you trust.